So here is the methane sensor, and I have the methane sensor hooked up to an MSP 430 development board, and it's connected to the battery power supply through a 5-volt regulator on the end of some wires. And then I have this piezo speaker hooked up to some of the outputs of the MSP 430 as well, and it's sort of giving an audio signal from the values coming out of this methane sensor. So I can put all this back into the box. Just the boxes kind of contains the whole unit. And I actually put a switch on the side of the box as well here that I can flip on and off to make it go on or off. So that's off. Turn it on. And so now I have a sort of a mobile version of this fart smeller concept that I'm going to put onto the Roomba to see if it can sense dog shit before it runs it over. So I'm going to test this out. Here is just a broken lighter, and it has I think it's butane in it, but that changes the signal significantly. Just for testing, I can show how this makes a different sound when I spray it on. So just a little squirt. You hear it go way lower in sound toward the brown note, and I can put it farther away. You can hear it go lower. So I think this thing might be sensitive enough to sense dog shit. There you go. The dog shit sniffing development board.